Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye, and welcome to my channel. Today is episode, a video of what TF did I order. The way that this package is wrapped, I have not one clue what's in this box. So I am planning to get it unwrapped without messing up the contents. So y'all, let's find out together what is in this box and what TF did I order. If you are new here and you are not subscribed, feel free to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you are made aware each time I upload a new video. If you are already subscribed, welcome to my channel and welcome back to all of my returning subscribers and viewers as well. I really do appreciate all of your comments, your likes, your shares. And I hope that you are enjoying my content. I'm not sure why this is saran wrapped, but I am going to try some scissors to see if that would help speed up this process, because the box cutter was taking a little bit too long. Excuse me. It's like they took a box and made it another size or something, because I have never seen an Amazon box this size before. There had to have been what happened, because and then we have more tape to get through. Does that look like they took took a box and made it into a smaller box to y'all? That's what it looks like to me. Because this doesn't even look like an actual box at all. What the hell was in here? It's taking longer to open up the box than it did for me to receive it. Okay, I think we're at least halfway there, y'all. See? That had to have been what they did, because there's no other opening for it, and they taped it up over here. Our box is that expensive that you have to make one out of a whole new size out of a box. And it's not even wrapped, so I would have cut it if I would not have been careful, y'all. Okay, at least I can see what it is, and I'm glad I didn't cut it. Goodness gracious. Whew, goodness. They just rolled it up and put... Lord. It was so cute online, but the way that it was delivered, I'm definitely not leaving a good review for this. Goodness. as you all can see, after 5 minutes of trying to get it out of the box, this is a Dooney and Bourke tote. It is a coated cotton tote in the colors black and white. And let me stuff it so that it can sit up. Well, let's check out the inside first before I stuff it. So let's see. It has some lint, but some crumbs in there. I don't really see any stains. It really just lint. So overall, I would say it's pretty clean. This is bigger than I thought, actually. Yeah, just a lot of lint. So let me go ahead and stuff it so that we can see what it looks like sitting up. I don't know how much stuffing it'll need to do that, but we're gonna try. I need to start just using a pillow that I don't use, or either wrap the pillow in something, a plastic bag or something, and use that to stuff the bags with that I'm needing to stand up, because this one definitely would not stand up after it was just rolled ever so tightly in that box. It's as if they were trying to pay the minimal shipping as less as possible. But it made it here safely, and I did not cut it up trying to open it, so I'm not mad at that. And do I have any more stuffing that I have not? Not really. Okay, so now at least we get to test out the zipper so we can look at the rest of the bag. So far, so good. If you all remember, I have a Dooney and Bourke, the matching drawstring bag to this same print. And I will try to link the video below of it. And I actually found that bag on Facebook. So this tote I found on eBay to match. And I'm going to double check to see if I can grab it and put it side by side, because that was the inspiration for me getting this. So starting at the top, handles look good. Leather across the top looks good. The zipper zipped up with no problem. It does have Dooney and Bourke on the hardware. Straps look okay. The glaze isn't cracked or anything. I believe this tote, the style and everything, is at least 10 years old. The corners don't look too bad. There's some wear there. But overall, it doesn't look bad at all, y'all. It just needs some cleaning and sanitizing, and for me to carry it. But that is cute. I like it. Let me get my drawstring to do a side by side, and I shall be right back. Okay, y'all, I got my drawstring next to it that matches, and I think I have a cute set. So now if I do want to use the tote as a travel set, I can definitely do that and take my drawstring along. And my drawstring bag is big enough for me to put a smaller bag inside, or a good size wristlet to take out, and still have the drawstring bag full, the tote full, and then my wristlet as well. So this will definitely make a nice light travel set. I can also use it as a work bag in addition to that. So, or just carry the tote alone as a purse. So I like it, y'all. Not sure when I'm going to upload this video. I may save this for October to share with you all. So we shall see. But I hope you all enjoyed this video and this What TF Did I Order. It turned out to be a great purchase. And despite the wrapping, it actually arrived in very good condition. And I am happy with my purchase. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, have a wonderful day.